Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also replaced this switch that you see right here. This one was not working and we replaced it with a working one. We also replaced the shower screen. This is the older shower screen of the machine. This is a new one just to compare. Definitely need a new one. Replace the gasket as well, deep clean it, back flush it, descale it, and now it's ready. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna be testing it out. I'm gonna purge the steamer first. There you go. Then we can use it, and as you can see, nice steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure. Working excellent. We're gonna cool down the machine now because we're gonna do an espresso shot. Gotta make sure there's water in the boiler. Perfect. And now we can do our espresso shot. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Really good flow. Excellent color. Great quantity. Good shot of espresso. So there you have it, Rancilio Silvia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.